As the vibrant colors of autumn fade and the chill of winter looms, it's time to prepare your garden for the seasonal shift. A well-prepared garden not only weathers the cold, but also sets the stage for a healthy, vibrant revival in the coming spring. Taking essential steps to fortify your garden against the winter elements is crucial in ensuring its resilience and beauty. Clearing and cleaning. The first step in preparing your garden for winter is a thorough cleanup. Remove dead annuals and vegetable plants, clear fallen leaves, and trim back perennials. Clearing away debris not only helps prevent disease and pest infestations, but also provides a tidy canvas for the garden's seasonal transformation. Soil care. Nourishing the soil before winter sets in is vital for the garden's health. Adding organic matter, such as compost or well-rotted manure, helps enrich the soil, providing essential nutrients for plants during the dormant season. Mulching also aids in regulating soil temperature and moisture, offering protection to plant roots from freezing temperatures. Protecting perennials. Tender perennials need extra care to survive the winter. Applying a layer of mulch around the base of plants provides insulation, shielding the roots from extreme temperatures. Wrapping delicate shrubs or small trees with burlap or providing windbreaks can prevent winter burn caused by harsh winds and temperature fluctuations. Winter pruning. Winter is an ideal time for selective pruning. Trim back dead or diseased branches, as well as any unwanted growth. However, refrain from heavy pruning, as this might stimulate new growth that can be vulnerable to frost damage. Focus on shaping and maintaining the structure of the plants to encourage healthy growth in the upcoming spring. Protecting pots and containers. Potted plants are more susceptible to freezing temperatures. Move sensitive container plants to a sheltered area, such as a garage or a protected porch. Elevate pots off the ground to prevent them from freezing to the surface. Wrapping containers with insulating materials can offer additional protection. Tool maintenance. Winter is an ideal time to tend to garden tools. Clean, sharpen, and oil your tools to prevent rust and corrosion during the colder months. Storing tools properly ensures they'll be ready for use when spring arrives. Planning for spring. Winter is an excellent time for garden planning. Use this time to research and design new garden layouts, select seeds, and plan for any changes or additions to your garden. Ordering seeds or plants in advance can ensure you're ready for a fresh start in the upcoming growing season. Winter wildlife considerations. Don't forget the wildlife in your garden. Providing food and shelter for birds, squirrels, and other creatures during the winter months can bring life and activity to your garden, even in its dormant state. Conclusion: preparing your garden for winter is more than a seasonal chore. It's an investment in the garden's future health and vibrancy. By taking these essential steps, you're safeguarding your garden against the challenges of winter and setting the stage for a beautiful and flourishing garden come springtime. The care and attention given to your garden during the winter months not only ensure its survival, but also contribute to its long-term health and the joy it brings year after year.